Alright, y'all, we're back for another scent today. We're finally getting to do this one before work because I have a little bit more time. Uh, don't have to go in as early. But anyways, it is storming once again. This is the third day in a row, and it's getting really annoying because the entire weather app or whatever says it's got like every day for the next week except for like one. This is ridiculous. Anyways, because of the weather, I'm gonna put on another sort of dark, well, not another, but a darker sort of scent. It's being Tom Ford's Ombre Leather Parfum, right? Yeah. I don't know. I don't wear a lot. This is my only scent with, or my only fragrance that does not come with a, or that comes with a cap, but I don't have it. Just didn't get in the trade. It's fine. But yeah, hopefully it does not get super bright and it stays rainy all day so I can get out of there earlier because there's really no point in me being there since I'm just training right now. Anyways, I'll see y'all. Y'all have a good day.